Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, and Christmas is so close. I know I've been away for a while, probably a week and a half. I decided, I'm going to be doing my house tour of how I decorate. And to be honest with you, before I move on to that, you know what? I was supposed to decorate the whole house, but kind of get tired. I'm not going to lie. I don't know what it is, but I'm a bit tired this year. First, I get all excited because, as you know, I put up my Christmas tree. When was that, sweetheart?
After your birthday.
Yeah, I put it on. Yeah, that was the first day of November. I put my Christmas tree up. But for some reason, I kind of slowed down. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I did so far. I didn't do much to my dining table this year. I have to take you in the kitchen and show you what I'm talking about. My husband is baking some cookies. I love them. I'm telling you, they're absolutely good.
Cookies are called kalashkis. It's a traditional Christmas cookie from Czechoslovakia. Okay, and it's real simple to make. Take 2 sticks of softened butter. You take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. You do that by leaving it out, right? And I have a half a cup of sugar, but I'm not going to add that. When I get ready to roll it, then I'll put the sugar on the counter just like you would do flour, and I'll roll it out in the sugar because you don't need a lot of sugar for this. And then we're going to put some strawberry preserves for the topping, and maybe some apricot too. And it takes 2 1/4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. But before you do that, you need to mix it up, the butter and the cream cheese together, so it's well incorporated. Now it's going to get noisy, so I'm going to just turn this up just a little bit. Get all the cream cheese and the butter well incorporated. And this is, it's amazing how simple this recipe is, and it doesn't have to be, it's the sugar is coming from, or the sweetness of this cookie is coming from the preserves, and also a little bit of the sugar that we roll it in, which is only a half a cup. So you want to add the flour in thirds while your mixer's on stir. It's a little bit at a time, because when you finish with this, you're going to take your spatula and make sure everything is well incorporated. And then from there, we're going to put it into a dish on some saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours so it can chill back up before we roll it out and cut them up. So our dough is chilled. Now sprinkle some of the sugar. I'm only using a half a cup of sugar. So I'll sprinkle some of the sugar on top of this parchment paper. And I got the dough there. So what we're going to do now is try to make a somewhat perfect square with this dough here. Take a little bit more sugar, put it on the top there. Like I said, using sugar instead of flour. All right, I'm gonna take some saran wrap and I'm gonna roll this out to about 1/8 of an inch thick. That's gonna take a moment. I'm gonna work with it as cold as possible because you don't want the cream cheese to start separating from the butter too quickly. I'm going to eyeball this as far as squares are concerned. You can use a ruler or something like that. Strawberry preserves. I could put some apricot. I could put, yeah, here's my apricot here. As you can see. You can put raspberry if you want. We're going to use strawberry today and a little bit of apricot. So this is about a teaspoon. Opposite ends, this corner to this corner. Fold it over and pinch it so it'll stay. So it looks just like that. Now that I got the cookies finished, I'm going to put these in the oven for about 15 to 19 minutes or until they start turning golden brown. Okay, and after that, once they cool down, we'll sprinkle it with some powdered sugar and they're ready to eat.
So I'm now in the foyer area, and as you can see, let me show you first the doorway. So that's the door, And when you enter, there is the mirror glass table over here. And as you can remember in my previous video, I did add boat rain there. And this is what they look like. Excuse the card because you know what? I had to string it up all the way to get to that Christmas tree up top that I'm going to be showing you soon. And I couldn't find any other way. So I guess it has to look tacky for a bit. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm liking it so much. And it's pretty tall. And these are, I can't remember where I get those little pine trees. I think they were from the Dollar Tree. Or I can't remember exactly. Or it was Big Lots. And I added this Santa Claus. I did add, what is that called? A nutcracker. And they're looking absolutely beautiful. And my red angel there that I'm loving so much. I took these mats, these straw rug, area rug, and they're from Amazon. Yeah, they're Amazon. And this one is the runner. And that shoe rack, I did get it from Burlington. So right here in the entryway, I do have this little Christmas tree. And it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, as we go here, we go up the stairs. I did put a Christmas tree up there, but look at that, guys. Look at that little, what is that now?
A clown.
A clown? No, it's not a clown. What is that called? You know what? I don't know. Anyway, this little thingy on the stairs that's sitting with the candle, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm liking it so much. Look at it, guys. It's not an elf, sweetheart. And we go up the stairs. I did put a Christmas tree up there. It's absolutely beautiful. And so you see why I had the card hanging, because I don't have an outlet up here. So I just, you know, have to do it that way. I put a little angel on top of the tree. And it's absolutely beautiful. That is so beautiful. And I can't remember, is that a, I think it's a snowman. I think it's a snowman.
Let me see.
The thing that's sitting on
it's
the...
a snowman, I'm sorry.
So now we come this way. We're now going into the living room area. And for this, it's just a vase, a flower vase that I put right there. And I just add some greenery to it and a bit of sparkle. Yeah, nothing much to it. So as you come in, this is the living room area. So see, this is my lovely, okay, the candle keep falling down and I'm not going to, you know, keep picking it up. So I'm just going to leave it. This is the coffee table. And yeah, that's how I decorate my sofa. Nothing much to it. Okay, so over here I have my TV stand. I decided to go gold and red. Every year I kind of lean towards red, not red, but gold and silver. So I decided to do red this year, add a bit more red, even though there's not any red at all on my coffee table. Let me show you this. This is a cone. I'm loving this. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful cone. Over here in the corner, my side table, I do have a bit of candle burning because I like candles so much. These tall cones, I have 2 of them. And so yeah, let me show you where the other one is. Here's the other cone. And excuse the card, I have to stretch things around. No, it's not looking that lovely with the card, but I do have to do so. And this is the other sofa where I just added those. I think I picked up those pillows from, was it Amazon?
Yeah.
Yeah, Amazon. And I think I get both of them for like $8. So they're 18 by 18 inches. This lovely throw, I picked it up from Burlington like probably a year and a half ago. So it's absolutely beautiful. Yes, so this is the living area. And then I do have a little snowman over there. This is the Christmas tree. And I'm loving it so much. It's absolutely beautiful. and I think the kids did a pretty good job. And I have the table runner for that. I'm going to show you what it looks like. But this is a tree skirt that I picked up from Walmart last year. I purchased online, and it comes with a runner. It was a set. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm liking it. I do have the letter there for each children. Yeah. And this ornament, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving it so much. I received it as a gift. Absolutely beautiful. It was our, what, 10th year anniversary. And so let me try to find the other letter. That's D. So this is our daughter. And this is our son. I'm trying to find the other one. Okay, here it is. So that's it up there. So the M. So it's all 4 of them ornaments. That's up there on the tree, and it's absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. So this is what our living room is looking like. I think it's nice so far. And those are the 2 paintings I did that I show you guys in my previous video. So this now is my dining table. Yeah, I just decided to just add something a bit to the table. This was on it before anyway, so I decided to leave it on it because, you know, as you see, it does have a bit of red, which is fine, and I don't need too much. And this is the table runner for the tree skirt, and so this is what it looks like. So they're absolutely beautiful. It's matching, and it's velvet with this flower on it, and so I'm liking it. Now for my tea station. So this is absolutely beautiful. This is a cup I picked up from Burlington, and I'm liking it so much. It's absolutely beautiful. And this tray, this blue tray, I picked up from Burlington as well. Those 2 glass jar I picked up from, I think it was Dollar General. So I put marshmallow in one, and I do have some Hershey's and Reese's in the other. And those 2 glass candy holder, I do put K-cup in one, and I left that one empty. I normally keep biscuit in them or cookies. I need to add those nutcracker to it, those 2 nutcracker, and this little snowman right here, and that ho 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 thing. A red reindeer over the corner that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as that hanging thing, and I just put it behind there so it can, you know, pop the wall a bit instead of the plain white wall. On top of the cupboard, I didn't really, you know, do much, but I add that little red tassel thing. I think it's a little Christmas tree, and that's from the Dollar Tree. And that sign, I love it so much. It's from Burlington. And also, I just put the greenery that I had on the coffee table up there. And those little thing I put up there as well. Nothing much, nothing Christmassy over this side. But on this side, I decided to add a bit more of those Christmas tree thing. And down here, there's nothing much going on. I just have that little bowl that we normally keep our car keys or any little random stuff. And that little snowman, it lights up, but I don't know what's going on with it now. So I tried to plug it up and it's not working. And I do have a little clock right there, and that's my husband and I. And yeah, this Santa Claus thingy, counting down the days of Christmas. And my Bath and Body Works scent. Oh, you know, a girl have to burn that every day. So this is what it looks like over on this side. Nothing much going on. Here's
our finished product. As you can see, some of them don't look perfect because I didn't use a ruler. It was just eyeballs. So the finishing touches you want to do on these cookies is put a little powdered sugar on it. So you just take some powdered sugar, sprinkle just like that, and we're good to go. So that's our finished product. This cookie, if I'm not mistaken, is a traditional Czechoslovakian cookie. So they usually bake them on Christmas. So this is their Christmas cookie, but I'm telling you, these things are outstanding as far as taste is concerned. Real soft to the palate, and the little bit of sugar that we put on the bottom, instead of mix it in the mix, and the preserves is the right amount of sweetness to make it very delicious.
Okay everyone, thank you all for watching today's vlog. I just want to say I appreciate you all, and I hope you did enjoy this vlog. I'm not a vlogger. I'm really not a vlogger, and I'm not good at it. And you know what? Go out your way and be a blessing to someone. Be a blessing. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. And I just want to say I appreciate you all. Thank you for all your support. Remember to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.